how to change online status on thread. So here, I'll detail how you can easily change your online status on thread. So if you use the Threads app and I want to change your online status to either you're online, offline, only be visible to those that follows you or those you followed back on Threads, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your online status on Threads app, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Threads app. Then once you open the Threads app, go ahead, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you click on that, locate the global icon at the top left and click on it. And if your Threads account is made private, you're not going to see the global icon. You only see a key lock. Then click on the key lock if it is private. And if your Threads account is made public, click on the global icon. And once you click on the global icon, locate online status under privacy and then click on it. Then here, you can easily change your online status. If you want to be visible to everyone on and off Threads, just go ahead and choose anyone. And if you want to only be visible to your followers, select followers. Only be visible to those that you followed back, select follow back. And if you don't want to be visible online, that is to make your Threads online status hidden or hide it, then select no one. Whichever option you choose under online status, this is going to put your account on that mode. So that is basically how to change online status on Threads. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.